In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious flour appetizer recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need tortillas, salami, cream cheese, black olives, parsley, and toothpicks. We're going to start by cutting each of the slices of salami in half. Now we're going to slice each of the tortillas into strips. We're going to spread a thin layer of cream cheese onto the tortilla strip. We're going to place the cut salami onto the tortilla strip so that it's hanging off. We're going to spread a little bit of cream cheese over the salami. We're going to add a full olive into one side and we're going to roll it up tightly around the olive. We're going to cut an olive in half the long way. We're going to use a toothpick to secure these two olive halves into our flour tortilla. Then we're going to add a piece of parsley to each side where the olive is. Our flour appetizer is complete and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.